Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching out still on the matter. Yoruba nation are going back. Exactly what the days, exactly what the people are talking about. Well, this one is another strong one. Well, my people, as it coming, that's exactly how I am here to drop it for you. Well, another one is in fact coming out right now, still on against Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. And then onto this one, the true Yoruba people, the true Yoruba nation agitators have finally come out with another strong revelation. In fact, they have finally exposed Mrs. Modupe Onitiri on this one, and then that's why I titled it "Finally Exposed Dupe Onitiri's Plans to Hijack Yoruba Nation for Destruction." My brother, my sister, what do you think about that? Yes, and exactly what the people are actually talking about. How Mrs. Modupe Onitiri actually tried to hijack Yoruba Nation movement for destruction. But why? For as many people who have been following this trend, how the Yoruba Nation movement started, I think it's been a thing of joy where everybody will come together in one addendum to talk about how Yoruba Nation would have been actualized, not until Mrs. Modupe Onitiri joined the struggle. Well, everything that a lot of people have actually talked about this, I will be detailing to you right now. This is so serious, and then it's so unfair that somebody can come from nowhere and deceive a lot of people that have been having a straight head. At the end of it all, she turned it around, and then right now a lot of people are still angry with Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. In fact, each time these people see that Yoruba Nation is not still being achieved with the rate to which they actually followed it up before she joined, a lot of people are always raising a lot of abuses curses on this woman. In fact, as it stands right now, I just came across all this on social media where a lot of people actually release different statements about how Mrs. Modupe Onitiri tried to hijack Yoruba Nation for destruction, and a lot of people are still out there still following this woman. It's a pity, but all I always tell my people is that forget the fact that some people are still supporting this woman, that anybody in his right senses will not even follow Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. That's exactly what it is. If you are in your right senses, except you already know what you are gaining. And with some news that has actually reached us, it had been gathered that some of these people that are strong follower of Mrs. Modupe Onitiri are the set of people that are actually earning the same money with her from politicians. That's so you don't need anybody to tell you. You don't need to get yourself worried about them, because a lot of people be like, but who are these people? Can't they see the truth? Yes, not that they don't know the truth, they have seen the truth, but because of the peanuts they have been paid, a lot of them are always angry that Pilado word is like they have paid you, your paymasters have paid you, you are actually doing their work very well by going against Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. But the truth of the matter is nobody paid us for anything. The fact remains that we see the truth and then we say it the way it is. Yes, so if you are doing the right thing, we'll know. Yes, everybody will see it, but it has occurred to us that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri and her cohort are not actually doing the right thing. Yes, so they are working against the people who have actually made it happen, who have actually struggled to make it happen to this level. For somebody to be insulting somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho in the first place, do you think that kind of a person is normal? In fact, is an eye-opener. Is a fact that we should already know that this set of people are not right. Yes, so if you can insult somebody like Professor Banji Akintoye, who laid down everything for Yoruba Nation movement to be with Chief Sunday Igboho in Cotonou, then we should understand that you are our enemy. Yes, so and if somebody can come out to say he is not supporting Chief Sunday Igboho, or for somebody to be saying Chief Sunday Igboho is not an original one, it's a fake, then we should know that that kind of a person is actually working for politicians. So we don't need a soothsayer to tell us what exactly is going on. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things had actually been said again onto this one, and immediately I got this information, I feel, oh, I should let my people understand another thing that is going on with Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Yeah, so right now, a lot of people will think, oh, maybe Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is actually doing the right thing. But after we have done our verification, our research, we notice that majority of people never liked, in fact, don't like what she is into. And to the extent some set of people have said that the best thing for her is to just go and apologize to Chief Sunday Igboho and Professor Banji Akintoye. Meanwhile, some set of people gone against that she should not even try it, that if she tries it, only God knows another strategy she might want to use to tackle the Yoruba Nation movement. My brother, my sister, hey, this is not funny at all. I'm going to be releasing some of their statements so that you will see exactly what they are actually talking about. Well, meanwhile, the Yoruba Nation, going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, a lot of things though are actually being said, and then right now I'll be dishing them out to you one after the other. Meanwhile, just try as much as possible to be prayerful at the same time, because this race is not a joke. Well, with what had been gathered, a lot of things had actually been said, and then in fact I would say Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is still is always been exposed, and then everybody is talking about it. All right, onto this one. According to Matthew Oladimeji, he had made it clear that all sons and daughters are in love with the idea of Yoruba Nation. What we expect Mrs. Modupe Onitiri to do is to apologize to Professor Banji Akintoye and Chief Sunday Igboho, but trying to go alone for whatever reason is bad on our part. Besides, it's quite unfortunate that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri confused the brilliant lady called Shoyekoribe to the extent that she made the mistake of abusing the person of our father of Yoruba land, Professor Banji Akintoye. All right, my people, I'm going to analyze on this one right now. Yeah, so this person had made it clear. In fact, in the first place, I made it clear that all sons and daughters are actually in love with the idea of Yoruba Nation. Not until Mrs. Modupe Onitiri joined the struggle. And if you look at what is going on right now, you understand that majority of the youth that have been vibrant have withdrawn from it, because they have seen it that, oh, this set of leaders are not gathered, but not knowing that somebody had been planted in their midst, that is Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, to distract the movement. And then she actually got it well, because the movement had been distracted. That's why you will not even see any of these youth around. That's what we're actually talking about. Now, someone is of the opinion that she should just try and apologize to Professor Banji Akintoye and Chief Sunday Igboho, because if she says she wants to remain alone, it will never work for her. And exactly what we have said times with that number, that anything that will make Mrs. Modupe Onitiri to say she wants to be separated, then she does not love Yoruba Nation movement, of which we know definitely can never be actualized, except they all come together as one, reason as one, and then dialogue as one, or else a lot of things will go wrong. And exactly what we are actually saying onto this one. Well, and then somebody has also made it clear that it was also when Mrs. Modupe Onitiri joined Yoruba Nation that Professor Banji Akintoye and Professor Adeniran fell apart too bad. And exactly what it is. Because initially we believed that, oh, Professor Banji Akintoye and Professor Wale Adeniran will they were actually working together, that everyone was enjoying. And all of a sudden, we just noticed that Professor Wale Adeniran decided to resign. My brother, my sister, what exactly has been going on that a lot of people did not notice until late. Well, it was also when she joined Yoruba Nation that both Professor Banji Akintoye and the Professor Adeniran fell apart. With you in the agitation, it has been conflict unending. It has been too bad. It is advisable you retrace your steps. All right, that's another one that had been said, that had been advised Onitiri to do. Now, right now, what is this telling you? This is to tell you that everybody already knows who Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is. Yes, we don't need this to say. I think I am happy with that. And then no, right now, I think everyone needs to know the enemy of Yoruba Nation. Anyone who is still supporting Yoruba Nation movement, I think you as an adult, you should know what is right. You can't just come out from nowhere or from anywhere and they're letting us understand that it was Mrs. Modupe Onitiri that pushed you. No, you should know the right thing to do. We are all seeing what is going on right now. Everybody is not happy with this woman. No one is happy at all that this woman actually caused a lot of pains, separation in this movement, and that she needs to be dealt with. And someone is like, Onida for apology. She should apologize, Abi. Okay, you want her to apologize so that she will be able to re-strategize on how she will deal with Yoruba Nation. That is better she just leave us alone and go our separate ways. We don't even want her anymore as far as Yoruba Nation is concerned. That's so serious. Well, my brother, my sister, I think it's a good thing to hear that majority of people now know the truth. Somebody came to my DM, he was like, oh, Pilado, what we love what you are doing. We love the way you have been propagating this for everyone to know who this woman is, that we should keep telling them until they all leave that group. My brother, my sister, I will not deceive you. A lot of people are realizing this on a daily basis as we are posting it, that this woman is not for Yoruba Nation movement. Yes, so in fact, anything that happens, if there is a situation whereby they see, or the federal government sees that the Yoruba Nation agitators came to attack the office of maybe one general or harming in the course of them behaving as if they are Yoruba Nation movement, it has been disclaimed that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is not part of Yoruba Nation, and anybody that wears Yoruba Nation singlet or vest that come out to say they want to fight the Nigerian army or police, that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri should be held responsible because she is not part of Yoruba Nation movement. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is going on right now. What more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.